Welcome to this tech news for Tuesday, September 15th, 2015. Today in the news, we have our first news item, which is Russia going against Google. Russia is going to give fines to Google for antitrust case that they are actually doing. And they say that because of the monopolistic practices of Google, that it's not fair and that they kind of push their own services and so on. So in a way, Google did say that they're going to fight this, but there's a real threat also where Google said that they might actually want to move out of Russia and decide that Google would not be available there. So this is going to be an interesting fight to check for and see where it goes with the coming days and weeks in Russia. Talking about about Russia, basically, we can talk about the old Eastern Bloc countries like Ukraine, Hungary, Romania, Poland. There was talk today about the fact that they are actually on their business and government side still at up to 40% of computers still running Windows XP, which is quite amazing. And one of the reasons why this is probably the case, there's probably a lot of old software or hardware that doesn't work on newer operating systems like Windows 7 and Windows 8, Windows 10. So it keeps them, using Windows XP. And I'm sure if you look around in companies here, I actually went to a little company the other day, and they were still using Windows XP for a lot of tasks, simply because all of their hardware was not working on newer operating systems, not even Windows 7. So I think there's a lot of cases like this that still happen with Windows XP. And but overall, Windows XP is declining around the world slowly. So eventually, there'll be very, very small part of computers, and it seems to have declined even faster since the release of Windows 10. So maybe a lot of people said, "Yeah, it's time to buy a new computer." Well, Microsoft did release today finally the new Windows Mobile build 10,536.1004, and the .1004 is for the fixes that they've actually brought to the operating system for Windows phones because of the bugs they had. But it seems there's still a lot of problems with it. It seems that a lot of people have been reporting that their phones are not working right with the upgrade, and there's even a specific problem that affects the Lumia 1020 only. So it seems that on that side, there's a lot of little problems still with the Windows Mobile 10 operating system. And finally, a talk about Windows 10. A lot of people been reporting, more and more people actually been reporting that they have more and more instabilities in Windows 10. I've seen on the channel a lot of people that sent me comments in private messages stating that their system was working fine, and after a month or a little more, it started behaving, bizarre, and there's some instability, some freezes, blue screens, and actually there's an article today by Mary Jo Foley of All About Microsoft at ZDNet that talks about how she is experiencing a lot of problems with Windows 10 basically, and that she's kind of worried a little bit. So on my side, I haven't had any problems, but yes, I have had little glitches here and there, like Cortana not giving me the searches I want, or sometimes it happened maybe a few times that the start menu would not work. It just like blink for a tenth of a second and disappear right away. And the only thing that I could do for that was just to restart the computer. A lot of people have been reporting also that their sleep mode, when they come back from sleep, doesn't work well in Windows 10. On that side, I've not had any problems because I've went to sleep mode many times on this computer, and another one that I use. So computer seems to wake up well. But you know, this is a long-standing issue with Windows. A lot of people reporting that Windows is not waking up their PC correctly. So that's basically the little bit of news for today on our Tuesday, September 15th, 2015 episode of the Tech News. If you enjoy my videos, why not subscribe to my channel? You'll be informed when new videos are online. If you have any comments, questions, anything you want to know about Windows 10, about PCs, let us know. If you have a problem, share it with us. Maybe we can help you. And hopefully you like our videos and we'll come back soon to our channel. Thank you for watching.